Hi guys, we all are going through a very difficult time due to coronavirus outbreak. The situation is really gloomy now. Each day, more number of people are getting affected by the virus and the death toll is increasing. Since no vaccine is available yet, all we can do is to keep this virus spread to the minimum. Social distancing is the only way to do it. Our government is trying its best to flatten the rising curve. They have taken numerous preventive measures and currently trying many innovative solutions to maintain the social distancing. Recently, National Informatics Centre launched a new app called Arogya Setu, and our Honorable Prime Minister requested each and every Indians to use it. In this video, I'll tell you what is this Arogya Setu app and how does it work and how to use it. So without any further delay, let's get started. So what is this Arogya Setu app? This app is kind of a coronavirus tracker and works on the basis of contact tracing, and it can help you to identify the possible coronavirus hotspots around you. This is an excellent app to help people stay safe and adopt necessary precautions in some areas where there are cases and accordingly help stop or prevent the community transmission to an extent. It can also alert specific users about their proximity to a nearby infection case or hotspot. This Arogya Setu app uses Bluetooth and GPS to track the location of a corona patient and will give you alert if you come near to any COVID-19 patient or the people who were in close contact with a corona patient. Let's install the app and give you a live walkthrough. So go to the Play Store and search for Arogya Setu. It will come up as the first search result. Alternatively, you can scan this QR code given in the screen and to get the app link. Let me install the app. Currently the size is 2.9 MB. So installation has been done. Let's open it. Currently it is available in 11 languages. Select your desired language. I'm selecting English. This is the welcome sliders to get you know the app. Tap on register now. Allow this pop-up to turn on your Bluetooth. In order to use this app, you have to give your location and other data to the government. No worries, government will not share this information to anyone. If you want to read the terms and conditions, read it here. See, the success of this app entirely depends on how much data they can acquire. You have to give your location permission, so your GPS must be turned on. When you're ready, click on I agree. Allow this location access permission. Now you have to put your phone number. Actually, this is used for contact tracing. Let's say you met someone a week back at a social gathering or were in a close proximity of some unknown person at a public place, which is very common. Now, in a few days, they test positive for COVID-19. Now, this app will trace back all the touch points of that person through the active devices with the app installed that were in close radius of that person in past 14 days. A notification will be sent to you and all such contacts with some instruction about further course of action like social isolation or getting yourself tested at a nearest testing center. As a responsible citizen, we must register to this app to track the spread of COVID-19 and help the government to analyze the disease spread. Click on submit. It will validate your phone number via OTP. Sometimes the OTP takes time to receive due to massive server load. Now you need to provide some information about yourself. Select gender. Now enter your full legal name. Let me enter it. Enter your age. You can see that they have highlighted the professions that are in high risk zones, like doctors or health workers who are fighting this battle at ground zero. Select your profession. I'll choose none of the above. Now select the country if you have traveled outside in last 30 days. Don't hide any information, provide honest answers. If you don't have any recent foreign travel history, select none. Now are you ready to volunteer in the time of need? Of course I am. In your case, select your desired choice. Now we have entered all the information. Confirm your submission by submitting. Now it will ask you to take a 20-second self-assessment test. Select yes. If you are experiencing any kind of following symptoms, choose it. Since I don't have any symptoms for now, I will choose none of the above. Now if you are going through any of the following diseases, select it. In my case, I have a heart condition, so I will select it. Then select next. If you had any international travel in past 14 days, then select yes, otherwise no. Now these options are really important. If you came in close contact with any COVID-19 patient, select the first option. If you are a health worker, select the option 2. None of the above will apply to me, so I'll select it. Finally, the app will analyze your risk level and give you the results. You can retake this self-assessment test again if you develop some symptoms or come close in contact with a COVID-19 patient. Click OK. Fortunately, I'm in a safe zone. That's why this page is showing green. But if you're in risk zone, then it will show red. These are the recommended steps and instructions about how to maintain social distancing. I think since we are fighting this virus for more than a month now, by now we are all aware of these instructions. Still share this information to those who are not aware of it or not obeying it. You can tap this COVID-19 do or don'ts to download a guideline PDF. If you want, you can donate to PM Care Fund from here. Personally, I believe we all should donate at least a little based on our limitations. So guys, if you're able, please donate something. So that's all about this video. Please share this video to everyone so that everyone understands the need of this Arogya Setu app. As I said earlier, the success of this app entirely depends on the number of people who registers the app. So make your friend and family to register this app. The more data this app acquires, the more accurate it will be. Guys, currently staying home is the only solution to keep yourself and your family safe. So please stay at home, help the needy people with money, food, ration in any way you can. Take good safety measures and adhere to government guidelines. We'll fight this together. Thank you.